we will study fifth connectivity is negation. For any given statement P, there is another statement which is defined to be true when P is false. When P is true is called the negation of P and is denoted by negation P. Here P truth table, P statement, P is true, then negation P is false. P statement is false, then its negation is true. Therefore, note here, negation of negation P is always P. Exercise 1.1. First question. State which of the following are statement. Justify in case of statement, state its truth value. First example, 5 plus 4 is equal to 13. It is a statement and it is a false statement. 9 is not equal to 13. Therefore, it is false. Therefore, truth value is F. Next example, x minus 3 is equal to 14. Here, x replace 17, then it is true. But other value, it is a false. Therefore, here true or false. Therefore, it is a open sentence and it is not a statement here. Next is close the door. It is not a statement because it here order. Next, 0 is a complex number. It is a statement and truth value is T because 0 plus 0 I, which is complex form. Therefore, 0 is a complex number. Therefore, statement is true. Next is please get me a breakfast. Please means request here. Therefore, which is a request sentence, not a statement. Next, congruent triangle are similar. Congruent triangle are always similar. Therefore, which is a statement and truth value is T. Next, a quadratic equation cannot have more than 2 roots. We know quadratic equation has 2 roots. Therefore, which is a statement and truth value is T. Next example, x square is equal to x, which is an open sentence. Therefore, not a statement here because 2 square is 4. 4 is not equal to 2. It is false, and 1 square is equal to 1, which is a true. Therefore, which is an open sentence. Next, do you like mathematics, which is interrogative because question mark here. Therefore, which is not a statement. Next, the sun sets in the west, which is statement we know, and this is truth value is T. Next, all real numbers are whole numbers. All real numbers, which is not whole numbers. Therefore, statement, but its statement is false. Next, can you speak in Marathi, which is question mark. Therefore, which is an interrogative sentence, not a statement here. Next example, x square minus 6x minus 7 is equal to 0 when x is equal to 7. Statement and x replace 7, then it is a verify. Therefore, 0 is equal to 0. Therefore, statement true and truth value is T. Next, the sum of cube roots of unity is 0, which is a statement and truth value is T because we know v plus omega square is equal to 0. Therefore, which is cube root of unity and this which is equal to 0. Therefore, statement and true value is T. It is rain heavily. Next example, which is not a statement, which is open sentence. Therefore, which is not a statement. And here open sentence, exclamatory, interrogative, which are not statements, order, and only we can true or false answer given here. Therefore, which called the statements.